What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. Okay, it's my birthday week. It's my birthday week. Hey, it's my birthday week, y'all, and I'm so excited. So this day, I believe it was January 15th, which was this past Monday, and I went and had a photo shoot, honey. Yes, the pictures, chef's kiss. I can't wait to show y'all. But I had to install my wig for said photo shoot, and I was really pressed. I was like, dang, my wig not gonna come on time. I mean, literally, when I tell you at the skin of my teeny teeth, did the wig make it? Whew, I was nervous. I was very nervous. But the wig came in. This probably is at like 6:30 in the morning. My photo shoot was at 11 that day, but I'm not gonna tell y'all too much about that day because I did film a vlog for y'all. So tune in next week on my actual birthday, January 28th, to see my photo shoot vlog for my birthday. But let's get into it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install a 6x6 13 22-inch 13x4 HD blonde wig. Okay, so we're doing a frontal wig, blonde, and yeah, I'm excited. Blonde is my color. Everybody know near my birthday I always pull out the blonde. Like I'm a blonde girl. I really feel like blonde looks good on my skin tone, and you know what, hate on your mama, don't hate on me. Okay, so I am doing this install. As you can see, I'm starting off with my bald cap. Bald cap method is on point. Okay, so just pay attention to the products that I use to get your cap nice and flat and slick and to your head. Okay, I'm using Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade number 15. That is the shade that works for me, but if you are looking for, you know, color to put on your wigs, use the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I really like it. It does what it needs to do. And babe, when I tell you a bald cap, your girl, that's a bald cap. Okay, I might as well just go ahead and be bald because you see it. Yeah. Make sure you wipe your skin with alcohol before applying any adhesive. I was gluing this wig down, even though I'm only wearing it for a week right now. I'm gonna take it off, put on another wig. I'm gonna put this wig back on for my actual birthday. I wanted to glue it down because I need this to be melted. Okay, we're going to a photo shoot. We don't have time for the photographer to be like, oh, we're gonna have to fix your lace. No, you're not. You're not gonna have to fix my lace because I laid it already. It's laid down. So I am doing a little bit of an updo situation, and I'm using a Tik Tok hack. Honestly, you know, y'all probably gonna be like, well, you know, it's not slick at the back. It's not supposed to be slick at the back. We're just giving the illusion of an updo in the photo shoot. So I'm gonna pin it up in the back. I'm gonna clamp the two wig pieces together in between some tracks to really slap that back of that wig to the back of my neck. So when I put it up, it's not gonna flip the wig up. It'll just look like, you know, like I just pulled it up. But just stay